run out of sand. Judu Engineering Fleet, can you help me transport some sand?
No problem. Leave it to me.
Put up the traffic cones. Load the sand. The sand is ready. Watch out for obstacles. Use rockets and oil tanks to speed up.
Oops.
Flip the switch and unload the sand.